Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to check your live location history on iPhone. Firstly, tap the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Tap Location Services to open location-related settings and scroll down to the bottom, then tap System Services. Tap Significant Locations. You may need to enter your passcode, Face ID or Touch ID. Scroll down to see a list of places you visited, along with names and dates. You can tap each location to see more details on a map. Just know that Apple encrypts this data and states that it's only stored on your device, not shared with Apple or third parties. To clear significant locations, in Significant Location, scroll down and tap Clear History to delete all stored locations. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.